From the north down to the southern sea, their names will flow in melody.
Feel the beat, follow the sound. Each nation's name is coming around.
Canada, Ottawa, United States, Washington, D.C., Mexico, Mexico City, rhythm and energy set us free.
The north connects through every tone. Its heartbeat steady, its spirit known.
Belize, Belmopan, Guatemala, Guatemala City, El Salvador, San Salvador, Honduras, Tegucigalpa, pretty.
Nicaragua, Managua, bright. Costa Rica, San Jose, light. Panama, Panama City, near. The central heart is crystal clear.
Soft pads expand
across the land.
Across the land, the music stands. From north to south we sing as one. Country shine beneath the sun. Names and places in our mind. Deep Latin groove for all mankind. So sweet, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo beat, Haiti, Port-au-Prince, bright day, Jamaica, Kingston, where they play.
Bahamas, Nassau shore, Trinidad and Tobago, port of Spain, more.
Barbados, Bridgetown, clear, St. Lucia, Castries near.
St. Vincent, Kingstown, shine, Grenada, St. George and Line.
Dominica, Roseau glows, Antigua, St. John's flows.
St. Kitts and Nevis, Basseterre goes. Hot islands rising in the light.
Heartbeat through the night.
Colombia, Bogota, Ecuador, Quito, sky.
Colombia, Bogotá, Ecuador, Quito, sky. Perú, Lima by the sea, Bolivia, soca and La Paz free.
Brazil, Brasilia bold, Chile, Santiago gold, Argentina, Buenos Aires high, where the music meets the sky.
Paraguay, Asunción, Uruguay, Montevideo son. Venezuela, Caracas bright, Guyana, Georgetown light.
Suriname, Paris.